So we're just gonna do like a little small Easter egg hunt. It's not gonna be anything too big, just because she's 1, so she's really not. I mean, I don't think she's gonna be into it like that, but who knows? Maybe she will be. Okay, so now I'm about to go hide her eggs. It's warm. It is warm. Okay, so I got her eggs. Hey. Huh?
You're not getting this close and giving up.
God, no! Always with the lines of change.
Hey.
He is such a fool.
Come on. I'm finna go. Come on. Alright, bye. Start running. Let me see your hand. Hmm? Whoa, what is that? Huh? Hey. What? Huh? Is that what you're saying? Huh? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Okay, bring it to me. You're not in it no more. Come on. Here's Ari, little cute Easter basket. Let me cut the tag off. Come here. You want to hold your basket? Can you hold it?
What's this? Look at that. Get that. Get that right now and put it in the basket. Look. Huh. You don't want that? Put it in the basket. Come on. Put it in the basket. Huh. Boom. Get the other one. Get that one. Get this one and put it in the basket. Boom. Get this one. You get it for you.
Put your eggs in the basket, Mama.
Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Bam. Bam. Look, there go another one. There's another one. Oh yeah. Get it.
So check this out. Okay, so I was able to make the ears look better, but I think I should have brought the eyes up more. Had the nose right there. Because you're going to get your shirt dirty. Look at the whiskers. I should have bought one of these in white, and that would have been a lot easier with like making the whiskers, but I didn't do that. And I just use like jelly beans for the eyes. It's ugly as hell. And like they're supposed to be tongue or something. I don't know. All right, so my battery is about to go dead. So I'm gonna have to try to clean up soon. I don't feel like it, but
You understand what I'm saying?
let's check out Dream.
Where my baby?
Dream, you stink. You just got a bath. How do you stink like this?
Where my baby? Who gonna play my baby?
All right.
Where my baby?
I just got done cooking, and so now I'm tired. I really don't feel like cleaning up. I cleaned up a majority of the food as I was going, but now it's time to put up all the food, and I don't feel like doing it anymore.